Namaste everyone. My name is Sandhya Balakrishnan and welcome to Yoga and You. Our modern day lifestyle is quite sedentary, and with everything being available at the touch of a button, we tend to stay glued to our chairs and couches for most part of the day. This inevitably leads to poor posture, hunched backs, stiff shoulders and neck, and weak muscles. It also leads to a lot of imbalances in the body which further contribute to aches and pains. So how do we fix our posture for good? And more importantly, how do we find the time during our busy days to do this? Well, here is a simple, effective and beginner-friendly routine to fix your posture, and you can pick any 2 exercises from this set and do them 4 to 5 times every day to start seeing results. Let's begin with the first posture, which is known as tadasana. For tadasana, start by standing with your feet close together. Interlock your fingers, turn your palms outwards, take a deep breath in, keeping your elbows straight. Inhale, lift your arms straight up and also lift your heels. Now exhale, come down. Let's do this a few more times. Inhale, stretch your arms up. And exhale, slowly come down. Once again, inhale, stretch your arms up. Feel that stretch in your shoulders, upper back. Lift your heels. Fix your gaze at a single point in front of you. And slowly exhale, come back down and relax. Let's move on to the next posture, which is known as Tiryak Tadasana. For this, start by placing your feet roughly hip width apart. Interlock your fingers, turn your palms outwards, keeping the elbows straight. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Now exhale, turn to the right and slowly come back to center. Again, to the left with an exhale and inhale back to the center. 2 more times. Exhale right. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, left. Inhale, center. One last time. Exhale, right. Feel that stretch all along your hips, your side abs, your outer shoulders and your arms. And inhale, back to center. One more time to the left. And inhale, back to center. Slowly bring your arms down, shake your arms, relax. Let's move on to the next exercise where we will rotate our shoulders using the help of a yoga strap. Now, if you don't have access to a yoga strap, you can use a simple towel or a dupatta or a scarf, which is easily available at home. Now, start by taking a wide grip on your dupatta or towel or yoga strap. Once you take a wide grip, turn your palm around the prop like so. Tighten the grip, so make sure you are completely stretching on both ends of the strap or the dupatta. Place your arms by your side, keep your back straight. Take a deep breath in and lift your arms up, and without bending your elbows, bring your arms behind you. If you find that the grip is too narrow for you and you can't go behind while keeping your elbows straight, make sure you widen the grip a little more, like this. But keep the tension intact. Let's do this a few more times. Inhale, stretch your arms behind, keeping the elbows straight. And remember to come back forward, keeping the elbows straight. Back, forward. Good job. 2 more times. Inhale and back. Exhale and forward. One last time. Inhale, back. Exhale, forward. And repeat this as many times as you need to until you start to feel a good stretch on the front part of your shoulders and your chest. After your repetitions, make sure you relax. Let's move on to the next posture, which is known as Parshva Balasana or threading the needle. For this, we'll start by coming into a tabletop position. Make sure the thighs are hip width apart. From here, take your right hand forward. Take your left hand from underneath. Make sure the left shoulder touches the mat and hold the stretch for 5 counts. Keep breathing deeply. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Come back to the center. Place your left palm forward. Take your right hand from underneath. Make sure the right shoulder touches the mat. Hold the stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Come back to the center. Bring your arms behind. Go down into child's pose and relax. Let's move on to the next posture, which is a variation of Kapotasana or the pigeon pose. For this, we'll come into a tabletop position. Lift our hips up. Come into mountain pose. From here, bring the right leg forward. Take the left leg behind until it is straight. Now make sure that your right foot is in contact with your left hip joint. Now, placing your weight at the center and not leaning too much on the right side. Take a deep breath in and exhale, go down. Stretch your arms forward and place your forehead on the mat and relax. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly come back up. Get your hands behind. Switch the leg. Place your left leg forward. Take the right leg behind. Now make sure that your left foot or the left heel is close to your right hip joint. Again, please place your weight on the center and don't lean excessively on the left hand side. And now from here, take a deep breath in and exhale, go down, stretch your arms forward and stay here for 5 counts. 5, 4, keep breathing normally. 3, 2 and 1. Come back up, place your arms behind, get your leg back, go down into child's pose or balasana and relax. Let's move on to the next stretch, which is known as bhujangasana or the cobra pose. For this, we will lie down on our stomach. Make sure your feet are hip width apart. Place your palms close to your chest and your elbows close to your rib cage. Take a deep breath in. Lift your head up and chest up. And if you can, straighten the elbows. Come all the way up like this. Otherwise, stay low in a bent elbow position, making sure that you feel that stretch in your lower back. Now, slowly go down. We will repeat this 2 more times. Inhale up. Exhale down. And one last time. Inhale up. And exhale down. Relax. Place your forehead on your palms. Relax in Makarasana. Now let's move on to the next stretch, which is known as Supta Kapotasana or the figure of 4 stretch in a reclined position. Lie down on your back. Keep your knees bent. Now take your right leg, place the right foot over your left knee. Take your right hand from inside and lifting the left foot and gripping the left knee with both your hands. Pull your left knee close to your chest. you should feel a nice stretch all along the side of your right thigh. Hold it here. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly bring the left foot down, release the grip, switch the leg. Bring the left leg up, place the left foot over the right knee. Taking the left hand from inside, grip your right knee with both your palms. Pull the right knee close to your chest. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Slowly bring the right foot down, release the grip, straighten your legs and relax. Now let's finally move on to Setu Bandhasana or the bridge pose. Bend your legs, keep your legs together, place your palms by your side facing down. Now tilt your pelvis behind. That means if I were to try and pass my hand from under the back, I shouldn't be able to. Now with that posterior pelvic tilt in place, take a deep breath in and lift your hip up. Exhale and down. Let's do this a few more times. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. One last time. Inhale up and exhale down. Straighten your legs and relax. Thank you so much for joining me on this episode today, where we learned some beautiful exercises to correct our posture. You can pick any 2 or even 3 exercises from this set and make sure to practice them a few times every day to start seeing results. Until then, stay healthy, stay happy. Bye-bye.